Alright, market's about to open in like 5 minutes. Let me quickly mark out NQ real quick. Hold up. Alright, so with NQ, to be honest, I can see support down here, but it's already breaking out, which isn't really a good sign. Because normally, obviously, you want to wait, but there's also support up here. That price could break through. And there's wicks right here, which isn't really ideal, but I would say support right here would also be one as well that we could really aim for as well. And in terms of MYM, wow, MYM looks like already moved as well. There was like this trend line break, you can see, but you can also see there's a zone right here, and there's a zone around here and here, in which I would really want to go for sells right now, because based on how there's like, first of all, there's no retracement like from this move, but obviously this move kind of looks like it was a move that price, wanted to retrace and carry on downwards, is what I'm seeing. I mean, if you also see the overall trend, it's definitely bearish here in the recent, but it's also kind of like a trend line here as well. The price could generally just carry on heading downwards. I mean, that's what I would like to see, but let's see. I mean, if price does tend to, want to go up, probably be a bit more patient, wait around here to take the trade. Yeah, probably have to do something like that, with my stops definitely being on like 25, probably something like that. And then for sells, I'll be looking around maybe this area, but maybe even lower than that now. But yeah, same thing here though, probably with a 50-point stop. To be fair, even 25 seems quite big right now. Yeah, not even gonna lie, even 25 seems quite huge right now. I might have to reduce it to around 20. I'd most likely have to do it like that with a 20 stop. But honestly, I'm not sure how it's gonna move. Let me quickly market NQ. Okay, NQ is already breaking out as well. Everything's already breaking out, but to be honest, if it does break out from this, I'd probably look around. Wow, so even 60 points seems very. Probably around 55. So 110 ticks with. Yeah, probably something like that. And then for sells, based on the way it reacts here, I could even go sells early around this area. But I have my stops around the same level, which will be around 55. Yeah. Let's just see. Honestly, let's just wait and see. Be a little bit more safe with my entries. Okay, it's looking like it might go down there, but I'm already looking like I'm gonna get stopped out. So let's see. That entry was way too early, I'm not gonna lie with you. Not proud of that entry. It was just way too early. I should have waited a bit more. Not proud of it at all. Alright. Well, if this does take me out, I am willing to go for buys or even sells here. Let's see. Obviously, I'm gonna try to trail for like a 1, 2, 3. I can. But let's see. That zone seems very powerful because clearly it's rejecting from it. Looks like I'm gonna be stopped out there. Okay, I got stopped out. With that big stop out there, really could be just looking on the 1 minute to go for buys. It's looking like it's going to go for sells on YM, which I'm going to give one shot at. Yeah, and the reason for me trailing is because, like, lately when price does go lower, it just goes more lower. But let's see. It's just very hesitant. I'm just not sure why can't it just break through it, like how USD normally does, honestly. I'm just getting up. 1, 2, 3 here, and yeah, 1, 2, 3 is gonna hit. Not so much to say. It was definitely very good trade. USD was very like slow though. In general, USD would go insane, like very quick, but it was moving hella slow. I mean, this ended up being like a 20-minute video, and most of it was due to USD taking a very long time than general, honestly. So obviously I'm going to be editing it up, so you're not going to be waiting for like 20 minutes for this to play out. However, it basically was taking that long. I mean, NQ took me out instantly, as you saw. So that's that, but it's okay. I mean, a win is a win. I'm definitely happy with the 3RR. This week has been very good. I'm not going to deny any of that, and we're just going to keep on going for next week, and let's hope that it ends up being also a good week. But nevertheless, 3RR today, and yeah, I mean, good way to end this week. And next week we'll come back, hopefully more better and stronger, and see what we can do. But yeah, very good trading session, and indeed, definitely a very good trading session. And there's not so much to say. Thank you so much for watching.